Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Okay, guys, so fall has officially been removed. I will insert just a little clip of what this space was looking like prior to, like for the fall season. But like I always do when I'm redecorating from season to season, I like to remove any item that I know I don't want to keep in the space, meaning if it's a color or something like that. But some things will remain signature to the room. So here I'm just giving you an overview. I have removed everything. I love having a neutral palette, meaning the sofas, because they're gray. I can really go in any direction that I want to go in this space. And so see here, I've already placed the tree. So we have to style it. And I guess I'll style that with you guys, let you see me kind of getting it all together. And so that will kind of speak to me in terms of what direction we go in with the color scheme. In this room, I want to dedicate the tree in this space to the man of the house. This is kind of like his go-to spot, not as frilly frou-frou. So it's very masculine in feel and vibe. And so I want to give that vibe into the Christmas decor for this room. It is a small space, so I opted to go with a slim tree. You guys, this is a pre-lit Bethlehem tree I ordered from QVC. And to be quite honest, the verdict is still out on it. The setup of it was easy, but I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it. I will kind of go into details. I love it. It's pretty, but I don't know. I'm still on the fence. Oh, we'll get it all styled up, and then I'll give you my verdict. So without any further ado, let's decorate. Okay, guys, so I want to give you this quick little rundown, and hopefully it will help you out in your designing or your planning endeavors. So, as I stated in the introduction, that I wanted to style this beautiful tree in honor of my love. This room is the smallest room in the house that we initially turned into the man cave, but it quickly evolved into a family room because whenever the girls are here, when I'm here, we're all in here, we're lounging and we're enjoying TV, we're enjoying each other. So it's full of love, and I wanted to do a space that honored and commemorated him. Every other tree in this house, all the other 9 trees in this home, yes, 9 other trees, makes 10, right? So I wanted to do something for him. He didn't ask for it, but because he's so supportive and he loves me and he just goes along with pretty much any of my wild antics, so I wanted to do something for him. And so I'm affectionately calling this tree Mr. B for his initials. So Mr. B is strong, he's rugged, he's a man's man, but he's real suave and sophisticated on the flip side. He has like this whole vibe about him. He's a whole vibe all by himself, and I love him dearly. So I wanted something to bring all of those elements of who he was: strength, bold, statuesque, very, just very, very gentleman-like, but also rugged and manly at the same time. So I started thinking about things that he liked. Asked him about a sports theme. He wasn't really feeling that. So I thought, okay, what color scheme do I want to go with? What vibe do I want to give? I asked him about different colors. He just said whatever you want to go with. So I started searching out, what do I do? I was really stuck, you guys. It was hard. Although I have a easy blank canvas, sometimes that can be difficult because you have such a wide range of possibilities. But when I tell you, inspiration can come from anywhere, just that. It can come from anywhere. I was in Garden Ridge sourcing for a client, and I ran across this. Absolutely fabulous, you guys. This is perfect in that my husband loves plaid. He is a plaid fanatic. And my wheels started turning when I saw the color scheme of it all. I knew that I pretty much had any color ornament in my inventory already. So whatever color I went with wasn't the issue. It was the theme, the feel, the vibe. And so when I saw this plaid and the teals, charcoals, and creams, I knew that this was the perfect jump off. Then tables continue to turn. I just did a fabulous room makeover in my master bedroom in those exact colors, like winning, right? So I didn't even have to buy anything as far as decor wise. I could just shop my home. Anytime you can do that, you are winning, winning, winning. Okay. So let me just show you guys some of the other elements that I'm going to pull in to bring this entire room together based off of this one roll of ribbon. Okay. I saw this beautiful ribbon that coordinates perfectly along with. When I tell you, when all you need is just one little jump off thing to get you started, that is gorgeous. Okay. Now I wanted to bring in a little bit more depth or strength to the combination. And I found this in my own stash. It is a beautiful charcoal glitter. Although it's glitter, which kind of can be feminine, it's a deep charcoal that nods to the masculine vibe. So these together, you guys, is going to be absolutely stunning on Mr. B. So let's get decorating and style the tree. Okay, as I stated before, I simply shopped my home, switching items around from my master bedroom, pulling in these beautiful shades of cerulean, charcoal, silvers, and creams. I absolutely love the way everything is coming together. I got this fabulous pillow from Ross Home Stores for $9.99. It was a perfect addition to this color palette. You guys, I am so loving everything that it is. Bringing in my candlesticks that were formerly lampshades, adding on top of them these beautiful ombre votives that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Bringing in that splash of color throughout the space, I'm now adding these tea light holders and moving on to the tree. You guys, I love creating out of the ordinary tree toppers. It doesn't have to be floral pick, it doesn't have to be a star, ribbon, or a bow. It can be a cluster of ornaments like so. I'm using all of the color combinations to create something unique and fun for this tree topper. Perfect complement to the ribbon. Let's begin. I am using the base of the tree or the spine of the tree to create my topper. That is how I secure it, just playing around with the formation of it, getting it just so. Now that I have that in place, moving on to the ribbon. I did not want to bring in any floral stems or any feminine elements to I wanted to keep this particular design strong yet sophisticated, much like my love. You guys have seen me do this before. I have my tree topper in place. That's what I like to add first. This is fun and unexpected. And here, you guys, I did a play on patterns with the ribbons. I cut each strip about 36 inches in length, gave them the little ducktails or fishtails, and then I just began to layer them on in a sporadic, I will say zigzag pattern. Absolutely love the palette that is building for this particular design. And now I present to you Mr. B in his tall, dark, and handsome glory. I absolutely love this color combination, you guys. Every ornament, every piece of ribbon, everything just came together perfectly to tell this masculine story. Again, the only ornaments that I purchased were the ribbons. Everything else were pulled from other tree combinations I've had in the past. The gray from my Cowboys theme, the teal from my Peacock theme, the white from my Razorback theme, and the black from my Glamour Girl. So everything here, even these beautiful pieces on top of the bar, were pulled from other spaces in my home to create this beautiful, beautiful masculine vibe in the space. I love it. The plaid was the perfect inspiration piece to bring everything together. If you're new here, welcome to TMB Designs. I hope you're enjoying my Deck the Hall series thus far, but I want to advise you, if you haven't already, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button, as I have so many more things to share with you. You guys, this is just tree number 2 of 10. This space is complete, but there's so many more to create. I created this impromptu garland, you guys, just using floral picks that I already had and pulling in the leftover ribbon. I think it was a perfect complement to this space. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Also, I want to encourage you to like, comment, and share the videos. I really want to grow the channel. We are growing by leaps and bounds, you guys, but I would love to hit 15K by New Year's Day. Is there anything too impossible for God? Absolutely not. So let's root for, let's shoot for, let's share, and spread the word about the Deck the Hall 2019 series. You guys, you'll be so glad you did. I have so many more exciting things to share with you. I am loving everything that I'm creating so far, and I want to take you all on the journey. So until the next video, I want all of my tried and true to know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. For my newbies, welcome to TMB Design. I love having you as part of the TMB family. I pray that this has inspired you to begin decking your halls and giving you some inspiration as well as tips to do it on a dime. Now, until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful holiday decorating day. Smooches. See you in the next one.